Do your insurance premiums keep getting more expensive and you don't see any immediate benefits from them? In this video, I'm going to share with you the most innovative change that I've seen to personal insurance and 4 ways that you can get immediate benefit from your policy every single year that's greater than the premiums that you pay, essentially making the cover free. Hey everyone, it's Biggs and welcome to True Pride. On this channel, I share with you tips and strategy videos just like this one, all about money, technology, productivity, and lifestyle. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today's video, we are looking at the AIA Vitality program and 4 ways that you can get immediate benefits from your insurance policy right now. The first benefit looks at the partnership that AIA have with Qantas. And what they've done is they allow members of the program to have up to 2 Qantas flights, up to 50% off every single year. These savings are calculated off the base fare, and there aren't any limitations to seats or those sorts of things other than that the flight has to be booked from Australia. Now, most people like to try and get closer to the pointy end of the plane, but unfortunately the Vitality program only allows up to premium economy flights to be booked and have this discount. But what we've seen a lot of people get major benefit from is by booking and paying for their premium economy flight and then upgrading to the further up the front of the plane using points to business or first, whatever they can afford with the points. This will actually save you 50% in the upgrade of points as well. So a really good tip if you want to try and get further up the plane. The way it works is you go on and book your flight through the Qantas website as you would normally. Once you've paid for that, you've got your itinerary, you email it through to AIA using the email address that I've included for you in the show notes. And what they do is they'll recredit you up to the 50% of that base fare straight into your bank account. So there's no mucking around, no entering in codes or anything like that. Simply book the flight the same way that you ordinarily would and send that off to AIA and get your credit. The second benefit is for those of you with gym memberships or considering gym memberships. So AIA have partnerships with the major gym providers, Fitness First, Virgin Active, Anytime Fitness and Step Into Life. And what they're offering is up to 50% off your regular membership fee for attending any of these gyms. So covering off on those major 4, you'll be able to find one that's relatively close to you, which we all know from gym memberships is the first point of using it. Secondly, AIA will encourage you to attend the gym by offering you points and benefits for going along each session to one of these partner gyms, and then also the activity points, which will help you accumulate and progress through the Vitality program itself. So if you're considering a gym membership or you already have a gym membership with one of these providers, look at the document that I've provided below, which will show you the exact net cost for each of these gym providers and what you'll be paying on a regular basis if you do choose to take out the membership as part of the Vitality program. Most of the people that I've seen achieve the gold and platinum levels of Vitality membership have been part of these partner gyms. It just gives you that extra amount of points on a regular basis to achieve those higher levels. So a big part of this is using it like any other rewards program. So if you're considering it and you do have a gym membership, this is really in your sweet spot for considering the program itself. The third benefit is that AIA have partnered with some of those major retail players, JB Hi-Fi, Rebel, Myer, Woolworths and Dymocks. So as you progress through the program, every 5,000 points that you achieve, you'll be sent a gift voucher and progress all the way through the levels of the Vitality membership from bronze to platinum. And every single year you'll be credited $650 worth of vouchers to spend on whatever you want at any of these partner providers. So a really good benefit if you're looking to spend some money at any of those providers as well, but also just a good way of getting something back from your insurance policy early on. The fourth way to get immediate benefits from the AIA Vitality program is through the regular activity rewards. So setting achievable targets every week, they require you to do 300 points of movement. So to give you an idea, more than 12,500 steps in a day, that's 100 points. 7.5 to 12.5, that's 50 points. Tracking your sleep, 10 points. Activity for an hour, burning more than 300 kilojoules, that's 100 points. So you can see that the points really do add up quite quickly, and achieving that 300 points is quite simple. So every week that you do achieve that target, you can choose from one of the partners, iTunes, Points, Boost Juice, and Woolworths for a $5 voucher of your choice every single week to one of those providers. And if you're feeling more philanthropic, you can actually choose from the Black Dog Institute, Cancer Council Australia, or Diabetes Australia and donate that $5 that you receive for those activity benefits. A really nice way of giving something back for something you were doing anyway. Now, I know you might be thinking that in isolation, these benefits aren't that big, and you're right. But if you do start to stack these together, the weekly benefits, the retail vouchers, the discounts off the premiums, the Qantas flights, the gym membership savings, all those sort of things start to add up to paint a pretty attractive picture for the Vitality program if you're using these things anyway or considering using them in the future. Like most rewards programs, the higher you get in the membership rankings, the better the benefits get. So the challenge that we're set is that only 5% and less of Vitality members are gold or above in terms of their status. So my goal is to get you to that gold and above level really, really fast. Question for you now, of the 4 benefits we've just outlined, let me know in the comments below which of these you think you could get the most immediate benefits from. Would it be 1, Qantas, 2, the gym memberships, 3, those retail vouchers, or 4, the weekly $5 credit? Let me know, that'd be awesome. If you have any specific questions about how this program could benefit you, I'm running a free Q&A session on exactly this, how we can tailor it to make the best of the program for you yourself, and also see whether or not it actually works. So I've included the details of this down below and also on the card that is coming up. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.